Yeah, thank you very much. We're going to take a look now at what's happening across central Texas. We had a lot of showers and thunderstorms overnight. Now we're just dealing with just a few little spots of showers. I did want to show you a color-coded look at where we saw the most amount of rainfall. Anything that you see within the yellows or the oranges or the reds, that's where we've actually seen the most rainfall overall, essentially starting off in Mason, coming down through Gillespie County and into Blanco County, a few out towards San Saba, and then again just out of our viewing area. But Rich Segal will have a bit more on the actual rainfall totals. We do have some showers that are moving through Bastrop right now, and as we move out just a bit more, you can see how most of the thunderstorms have now fizzled out. And again, we still see that one spot that's out towards Bastrop itself, a few farther out of our region, but now things are much calmer this morning, with temperatures right now at 83 degrees in Austin, 71 in Marble Falls, 73 in Llano, and the farther out towards the east you go, the warmer it gets, 83 in LaGrange and 84 in Flatonia. So I do want to talk about what's going to happen later on this evening, because we have a chance of seeing another round of storms and showers, especially as we get to about 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., where we could see some thunderstorms build up. Now for the eastern counties, the Hill Country got all of their activity out of the way. Now it looks like most of the storms and most of the models are agreeing that we could see activity mostly within Lockhart, into Bastrop, into LaGrange, into Giddings, and that could even spill over into Travis County as well. As I play this out a bit more, that will continue with us throughout the evening hours into the overnight hours. As we get to about 1:30 in the morning, things will start to fizzle out there. As far as the severe threats that we're looking at, it doesn't look like tornadoes or hail are going to be the issue. The thing we'll be watching are going to be the strong winds, where we could see winds up to 58 miles per hour, and of course the possibility of localized flooding if we get a decent amount of rainfall within the area. Temperatures today could be hitting about 90 degrees in Austin, 91 within Bastrop and LaGrange, but again, this all depends on when those showers and storms start to kick off, with temperatures out towards the Hill Country staying within the mid-80s. As we look longer term, getting past to Thursday and into Friday, you'll notice partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions will dominate the area as we get out towards Saturday. I don't expect any rainfall there whatsoever. The 7-day forecast actually doesn't show anything until we get to Monday, where our rain chances start to pick up one more time. But this is going to be the key here. Saturday into Sunday, we're looking at 100 degrees as a possibility before the rain chances return. Let's go ahead and send it over to Rich Segal.
We had some heavier rain during the early part of our overnight hours, and then as the rains continued to progress to the south, the rain totals came down. So our highest that we found this morning, 3.25 at one of the gauges at Willow City, and a little less than that, 3.18 just outside of Blanco, a little more than 3 inches at the Pedernales River, the LBJ Ranch near Stonewall, 2 1/3 at Castell, and 1.5 inches plus at Mason. So in Mason, you've had nearly 3 inches of rain in just the last 2 days. Let's look a little bit further into time by giving you the 8 to 14 day rainfall outlook. This period covers June 11th to the 17th, indicating, again, they're sticking with this wetter than normal pattern. And normal rain during those 7 days totals out to 8,800s. Temperatures, this was a change, and a major change from what we had yesterday, when it was predicted that we'd be warmer than normal. Now near normal, again from the 11th to the 17th. Normal high on June 11th is 93. By the 17th it reaches 94 as we continue to head up to the hottest time of the year in early August. Normal lows around 73 degrees. Big game up in Oklahoma City tonight. I'll have the forecast for Texas and Texas Tech in a half hour. Avery, Will.